This video will explain how we can use the display style to have elements act as either block or inline elements on a web page. As a review, there are two types of elements in HTML: block level elements, which take up the entire width of the page regardless of the size of their content, and inline elements, which dynamically change their width to use the correct amount of space for their content. Block elements act like pancakes stacking on top of each other, while inline elements act like dominoes appearing in the same row if there's enough width on the page to hold them. We can force any element, regardless of tag, to act like a block level element, an inline element, or, like both, a block and inline element at the same time. We have the following style rules that can be used with the display property. Display block sets the format of an element to be a block element, starting the element on a new line and taking up the full width of the page. Display inline sets the format of an element as an inline element, allowing the element to be displayed alongside others. Width and height cannot be changed. They are automatically calculated based on content. Display inline dash block sets the format of the element to an inline element while also allowing us to change the width and height of the element with styles. On this page, we have two div elements. You can see that they are stacked like pancakes. When we add the div display inline style though, you'll see that they are now stacked next to each other like dominoes. Now we add a span element. The span element falls in line like a domino with the other elements that were there. But when we add styles and we do display block, you can see that the span element now goes to a new line break before and after, full width, like any other block level element. Now we will add two new divs, both with class equals special. Like any div, they stack on top of each other. But if we add the display inline block to those divs, then you see that they go next to each other like inline, but we can still control the width and the height like a block level element.